Hi, I'm Johnny from Profile Painters. Today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your relationship with your painter. First up, make sure the rooms are cleared as much as possible. Your painter can help you move any big heavy things to the centre of the room. Keep pets and kids well away from the areas being painted before, during and after painting. Know which colours you are going to use. Pick up a Resene test pot, paint on a piece of card so you can take it around different parts of the house and see it in different lights. If you need help, ask a Resene colour expert. Give the paint enough time to dry fully. Keep windows open to allow the air to circulate and avoid using showers until the paint is fully cured. Like any relationship, good communication is very important. Write down any changes or special requests. Lastly, but most importantly, always have coffee, tea and freshly baked goodies for Smoko.